Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome and thank you so much for clicking on this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make repairing and aging lemon oil for acne, lightening, dark spots and scars. So make sure that you watch this video until to the end. To my 367 subscribers, thank you so much dear friends for your love and your support. So if you're new on my channel, you can click on that subscribe button and subscribe today. So you need some lemons. As you can see, we've gotten some 2 big lemons, fresh lemons, and you have to make sure that you wash them so that you remove any pesticide and any dairy which may be there. This is a very important step. So like on this channel I upload videos every day. Make sure that you check out for other videos that we have done, and make sure that you comment in the section below if you have tried a lemon oil for acne prone skin and anti-aging and lightening dark spots and scars. So we are washing our lemons to remove any dairy or any pesticide, and then we are going to let them dry for a few minutes, and then we are going to get a grater and grate out the peels. Yes, but of course, you know what, if you are to use lemon on your skin is not good. It has other adverse effects. So using this method will actually really help to do away with acne, lightening dark spots and scars and repairing and anti-aging skin. So lemon oil is good to treat acne as acne treatment. So lemon oil has an astringents due to its acidic level. Ingredients with low pH level can help decrease inflammation and oil that may contribute to formation of acne. So this is the grater that we are going to use. I prefer to use smaller holes because we want our paste to come out so fine. So either way, of course, even bigger holes they can work. Just check out if they'll be okay. So the active ingredient in lemon oil is ascorbic acid. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant and can help lighten pigmentation. So the citric acid is a type of alpha hydroxy acid, can help break down dead skin cells that lead to non-inflammatory forms of acne like blackheads. So lemon oil have antimicrobial effects which can help tame Propionibacterium acne, so bacteria that leads to inflammatory acne, and it also works as a spot treatment. So lemon oil is actually has citrus ingredients which may also work well on lightening age spots or acne scars. So after grating, that is how our lemons look like. So as you can see, like we have really removed the outer layer of the lemon. So that is how they look like. They look so perfect, friends. Look at that. Like whatever God made is so beautiful, and I love that green color. Yes, actually it's a combination of green and a yellow. Yes. So once we are done, make sure that you use an oil which doesn't clog your pores and which is so good for the skin. Yes, so like I love lighter oils like grapeseed oil, macadamia oil, argan oil, rosehip oil. So in this case, we're going to use grapeseed oil. So now I've just gotten heat resistant beaker, and we're pouring in our lemon peels or zest. Yes, and then we are going to add in our oil. So we are going to use a water bath. You can even do a cold pressed one. Yes, so we are going to use 100 grams of our grapeseed oil, and we are going to pour in our lemon peels, and then we are going to put it on fire on low heat. You don't want to put it on high heat. You don't want it to be useless. Like we still want those benefits, the nutrients, in our lemon oil to be very beneficial. So we are just giving it a simple stir there, and then we put it on the stove. Of course, like you need some water. You put some water into your pot or whatever gadget you are using. So I'm just using a pot in this case. And then we are going to put it on fire and dip our heat resistant beaker into our pot. Or you can use other methods. Of course, they can work very well. So we'll leave it on for at least 20 minutes, and then we'll remove it from the fire. So it's been infusing for 20 minutes. So we've just removed it from the fire. At this point, like it's still hot. So we are giving it a simple stir again. And then we are getting our strainer and we are going to strain. So lemon oil is a natural method like of increasing collagen in facial oils. So of course the citrus ingredients in lemon oil may also work well on lightening age spots or acne scars. So collagen is a protein that naturally breaks down with age, which can then result in fine lines and wrinkles. So as an antioxidant, vitamin C may help prevent free radicals that can damage collagen, leaving your skin with smoother skin. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, you can click on that subscribe button and subscribe now. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. Like, in as much as I love sharing, we want this channel to grow to reach a bigger audience. So that is how it looks like, friends. Like, it looks so perfect. I love it. I love that color. So it will really work well for your skin, those acne prone skin, those spots, scars, anti-aging, it will really work well. So now we've gotten our applicator bottle, and we are going to put it in our applicator bottle. And the goodness about these oils, like, you won't need a preservative because there aren't any water in it. So this is very convenient, actually. So comment in the section below, friends, if you're going to try out this lemon, or if probably you had tried lemon oil, how it has worked for your skin. You can kindly comment in the section below, or if you have tried for your hair as well. But of course, I've never tried lemon oil for the hair, but one day I'm going to try it after doing a research about if it's good for the hair as well. But of course, I've been seeing and I've read quite a number of articles, but I'm yet to like get deep into how it benefits hair. One day I'm going to post a video on that. So that is how it looks like it looks so perfect and lovely. Yes, so now at this point we're going to apply it on the face. So I'm starting off on fresh washed face. So like it's in the morning, I just rinse with some water, cold water. Yes, so I'm going to apply it on the skin. So I'm going to like the applicator bottle, I didn't come with something sharp to prick the nozzle. So like I didn't want to waste much time, so I had to pour it in my palms like so, just a dim size. Yes, I hope you can see that. Yes, like so. And then we are going to rub it on our face. So you can actually use this oil every day. Yes, it's going to work well, for your face if you're experiencing acne. But of course, you know what? I don't have any issues with my skin at the moment because I use natural products, which really helps me, which really helps my skin. Of course, there are times when I have acne, but it's not pronounced, probably maybe 2 or 3. Like it doesn't bother me a lot. Yes, so like I'll link other videos which I've done on face care, facial products, so that you can check them out. So that is how our skin looks like, friends. Like, of course, our skin looks perfect, right? Look at that glow. Yes, so for you to see the results, you need to use it consistently and you have to be patient. So are you going to try out this lemon also? Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. See you in our next video.